Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change Facebook profile to digital creator. So first of all, go to your Facebook app at first. Now what you have to do is tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen right below the messenger icon. Now what you have to do is tap at your username. Now you can see something like this. Now what you have to do is tap on this three dot icon right beside this edit profile option. Simply tap on this three dot icon and you will be sent to your profile settings. Now scroll down and you can see something like turn on professional mode. Simply tap on turn on professional mode and you will see an professional mode option right here. You can simply tap on this turn on option or tap on this learn more to learn more about this professional mode. Then now what you have to do is simply tap on this turn on option. Now wait for a while and it will show you something like this. Now finish setting up your profile by simply completing these steps. Now scroll down and read everything right here. Now what you have to do is complete these steps by simply selecting your profile category, right? Simply tap artist. Now what you have to do is simply tap on save. Now this is complete. Now what you have to do is simply complete all of these steps and you will be creating your Facebook profile from normal to a digital creator. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts and until then, goodbye.